Before we begin, thanks for being here. If you enjoy watching massive logging trucks, powerful heavy equipment, and incredible machines at work, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. Your support really means a lot, and it helps me bring you even more amazing videos. Now, let's get started.
Before anyone reaches for the chainsaw, the crew has another challenge to solve. The logging truck is already carrying a massive load, leaving very little room for mistakes. Every step from here has to be planned with safety in mind. The first task is preparing the winch line. Instead of pulling the tree directly, the crew is about to build a controlled rigging system that will guide the entire fall. To reach the attachment point, they improvise with another straight log. Rather than bringing in extra equipment, they turn the log into a narrow bridge across the gap. A natural hollow in the standing tree holds the bridge log securely in place. One worker carefully climbs across while another reaches up with the end of the winch cable. Every move demands perfect balance. As if the climb wasn't difficult enough, a hidden colony of ants suddenly swarms out of the hollow, even while being bitten. The worker keeps his focus on the job. Turning back isn't really an option now. It takes several careful attempts before the cable finally reaches him. Nobody rushes this part. One careless move could end the day with a serious fall. With the cable in place, the crew secures a snatch block to a solid tree stump. That stump becomes the anchor point, allowing the winch line to change direction without moving the truck. It's a simple but highly effective rigging technique used by experienced logging crews. Before anyone touches the chainsaw, the crew prepares the most important part of the operation. A snatch block is secured to a nearby anchor tree, allowing the winch cable to change direction. With this setup, the truck can safely control the tree without moving an inch. The winch slowly takes up the slack, building tension through the cable. At the same time, the sawyer walks toward the base of the tree. Everything has to stay perfectly synchronized from this point forward. Before making the first cut, the sawyer carefully studies the trunk one last time. The cutting angle will determine how the tree responds once the tension takes over. There's no room for guesswork here. The face cut is now complete. With enough wood removed, the tree is ready to move. The sawyer quickly retreats to a safe position while the winch takes over. Under steady tension, the tree begins leaning exactly toward the planned direction. Seconds later, the plan works perfectly. The massive tree crashes to the ground exactly where the crew intended. Careful preparation has once again made a dangerous job look effortless. But the job isn't over yet. As the crew removes the heavy butt section near the edge of the slope, something unexpected happens. Once the cut is complete, the remaining log suddenly loses its balance. With nothing left to hold it in place, gravity takes over. The entire section slides downhill, picking up speed with every second. At that point, there is nothing the crew can safely do except watch it go. The crew gets back to work without wasting time. Large sections are cut into smaller logs to clear the route ahead. Their next challenge isn't felling another tree, it's making enough space for a heavily loaded logging truck to pass. With the trail finally cleared, it's time to move the truck. Fully loaded with timber, it now has to cross the very obstacle the crew just created. Every tire placement will matter from this point on. The front axle climbs onto the log first. The driver moves slowly, allowing the suspension to settle before adding more throttle. Now comes the most critical moment. The rear wheels carry nearly all of the truck's weight. With a full load of timber, even a small slip could shift the center of gravity dramatically. The driver keeps a steady pace, avoiding any sudden movement. Once both axles are over the log, the truck continues deeper into the mountain road. The trail remains narrow and uneven, but the crew has successfully passed one of the toughest obstacles of the day. Every turn demands complete concentration on roads like these. The truck has very little room for correction. The heavier the load, the less forgiving every mistake becomes. The next corner proves to be even more challenging. It's too tight for a single smooth turn. The young driver has to stop, reassess the angle, and carefully reposition the truck. Every adjustment is measured in centimeters. One wheel drifting too close to the edge could put the entire load at risk. Patience is far more valuable than speed in moments like this. After several careful corrections, the truck is finally lined up with the exit of the turn. The hardest part is over, but the driver still refuses to rush. Staying in control is the only priority. With the final obstacle behind them, the crew continues the long journey out of the forest. It's another reminder that successful logging depends on planning, teamwork, and disciplined execution. Every load delivered safely is the result of countless smart decisions made along the way.